Good morning, students. In the accountancy, we are studying the rectification of errors. Now, you learn how to solve the rectification of errors after preparation of trial balance. One more question I am taking to clear it, to clear to all of you, and then do more practice. And one question I will solve if the errors are rectified after preparation of final account. Now see question number 23, page number 21.52 of PQL. Now see, a bookkeeper finds the difference in the trial balance amounting to rupees 210 and puts in the suspense account. Later on, he detects the following errors, rectify these and prepare the suspense account. Number one, goods purchased from Ram 700 was passed through the sales book. This error have been made in the books. The entry should be purchase account debit to Ram, but in place of this entry was made as Ram debit to sales. It is double-sided error. So the number one entry will pass as it is debit amount and credit amount. This is particular and serial number. Number one, goods purchased, so it should be the purchase account debit to Ram. Purchase account debit to Ram, and the amount is 700. Purchase should be debited by 700. But in place of this entry, the entry was made as Ram debit to sales. This was wrong. Sales should not be created. Then to nullify, debit the sales account debit. It is rectification. A Ram should be created, and Ram was affected by double amount 700 plus 700. In place of credit, he was debited. So he must be created by 1004. Now, not writing the narration, you just write it narration. It is given the foot. Returned goods to Shyam, second one, 1500 was passed through return inwards book. Return to Shyam means this is purchase return. The entry should be Shyam account debit to purchase return. But it was entered in the return inward. It was taken as sales return. Sales return account debit to Shyam, it was done. So to rectify it, for Shyam should be debited, debit the Shyam. Debit. To purchase return. Purchase return. This entry should be done. But in place of this, what was done? Sales return account debit to Shyam. Sales return should not be debited, so nullify it to credited, and then it is rectified to sales return or returned inwards. The amount is 1500. 1500 purchase return should be credited. Sales return was debited wrongly, so it is also credited, and the effect to Shyam is 3000. Because Shyam was wrongly credited by 1500, the effect on the Shyam's account, in place of debit, he was credited, the amount difference is 3000. Third, an item of 450, an item of rupees 450 relating to prepaid rent account was omitted to be brought forward. Prepaid rent account, it shows the debit balance. It was not brought forward when the page was changed or further it is carried. So prepaid rent account was not debited by 450. This will affect the trial balance. So we will write the entry prepaid rent account debit. Only one side error is there, and only one side have been affected. That was debit side. Prepaid rent account debit to suspense account. It It is 450. Fourth, an item of rupees 120 in respect of purchase return, instead of being recorded return outwards book, has been wrongly entered in the purchase book, posted therefrom to the debit of personal account. Now entry should be for the purchase return supplier account debit to purchase return. But it was entered in the purchase book. It was done as purchase account debit to supplier, and thereafter it was debited to personal account. Means supplier's account was correctly posted. There is no wrongly. It was correctly posted, not as per entry, as the entry was made purchase account debit to supplier. Supplier should be created by this wrong entry, but while posting wrongly, supplier's account was correctly posted by the true entry that he was debited. So there is no wrong in the personal account. In place of purchase return, purchase was debited. So purchase should not be debited, and purchase return should be credited. There is only one side error. Personal account is correctly posted. So here we will write suspense account debit to purchase return. It should be credited. Purchase should not be debited. So purchase should also be credited. And this amount is 120. 120. There was difference of 240. Now fifth item, 2000 paid to Deshraj against our acceptance were debited to Deshraj account. Our acceptance means we have accepted the bills payable. In place of bills payable debit, Deshraj was debited. So it is double-sided error. We will pass the entry. Bills payable account debit to Deshraj. And the amount is 2000. Now the last one, sixth. It is written, the amount payable to Subhas for repairs done to radio 180 and radio supplied for 1920. The entry should be repairs account debit 180, repairs account debit 180, radio account debit 1920 to Subha, to bank or cash 2100. This entry should be passed. But what was done? It is recorded as in the purchase book as purchases by for rupees 2000. Purchase account debit to cash. What was wrong? It is correct entry. True entry. It is wrong entry. Done as purchase account debit to cash 2000. So see there, repairs was not debited, rectifying. Repairs should be debited 180. Radio should be debited 1920. Two purchases 2000. Purchase should not be debited. Credit the purchase, and difference is to suspense account 100. This is the correct entry, rectified entry. Now we'll pass the entry radio debit, two purchases, two suspense, 180, 1920, 2000 purchase credit, 100. This is the correct interest. Now on the basis of that you have to prepare the suspense account. See where the suspense is here, here and here. As a question is given, amount payable to Subhash for repairs 180 and radio supply 1920. This was paid to Subhash against the repairs and radio. Both totals are total is 2,000 to 100. Whereas I entered the purchase book 2,000. 100 was also not entered in that. So we will pass this correcting entry and then prepare suspense account. 200 is difference in the debit side. I prepaid rent 450. To purchase return to purchase this much and buy repairs account. Okay. So you can prepare suspense account. See here the suspense account in the suspense account. I am writing by two balance brought down 210, by prepaid rent 450, to purchase return, two purchases 120 and 120. This is by repairs and radio 100. This is 550, this is 450. Two balance carried down, still it is not traced, 100 is remaining. As in the question, the answer is given, only third and fourth affected by the trial balance, the agreement of trial balance. But here the figure difference is given in the question, that is 180 plus 1920 equal to 2100. So this 100 is either missing in the question number, part number 6 or in the answer. Now match it. Next question, that is question number 28, rectification of errors after the preparation of final account. What is this? When we rectify the errors after preparation of final account, so all the rectification will be made in the same as you have done after preparation of trial balance. But in place of nominal items, we will write the name of profit loss adjustment account, because nominal accounts are closed at the end of the year. As the final account is already prepared, it means that business have reached or business books have been closed and that we reached into the next year. So books are closed, profit loss account and final account have been prepared, all nominal accounts were closed, it cannot reopen, so that all nominal items should be rectified through the profit loss adjustment account. Question number 28, in taking out the trial balance, bookkeeper finds he is out of rupees 3,809. Excess debit. In credit side, the space is there. Being desirous of closing his books, he places the difference to newly opened suspense account, which is carried forward in the next period that he discovered that. Number 1, question number 28. Debit item, debit amount, credit amount. 17,715 received from X has not been posted to his account. In his account, it was not posted. Received, X should be created. So here X was not created. Suspense account debit 2X 17,715. Two next second question, second item, a sum of rupees 9,500 written off as depreciation on fixtures has not been posted to depreciation, and the depreciation is a loss on asset, so all losses should be debited. It was not posted in the depreciation account. Depreciation was not debited, so debit it. Only one side error is there, so we'll write here depreciation. To suspense. Now see, depreciation is a loss. It is nominal item. So in place of this, we will write the profit loss adjustment account. What we will write? Profit loss adjustment account, because it is prepared after preparation of file account. After preparation of trial balance, we will write depreciation. But after preparation of file account, in place of depreciation, we will write profit loss adjustment account. That should be debited. And the figure is 9,500. Now again, understand this one. Profit loss adjustment account, we will write. Why? Depreciation is a nominal item. Is it clear? Now third, 1,50,000 paid for furniture purchased has been charged to ordinary purchased account. This is ordinary purchase account. It was debited in place of furniture. It is double-sided error. Error of principle. Now, that is revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Capital expenditure was made, but in place of debiting the capital expenditure, revenue expenditure was debited. So it does not affect the trial balance. We have to debit the furniture. Debit the furniture account. Purchase should not be debited, so credit it. Purchase account, and it is 1,50,000. Now see next, a discount of rupees 3,742 allowed to a customer has been credited to him rupees 3,648. It was credited to him, so there is a mistake or the error in the personal account, not in the discount account. So credited to him 3,648, less credited. So again credit the customer. So here we will write suspense account debit to customer account. How much? The difference amount, that is, in place of 3,742, it was written as 3,648. So difference is 94 rupees. You will write here 94. Now the fifth item, the total of the inward return. Inward return means sales return. Has been added 900 short. Sales return was added short under casting. Single sided error. Debit item. So return inwards account debit to suspense account. 900. Now next sixth question. An item of sale for 5,900 was posted as an item of sale of rupees 5,900 posted as 9,500 in the sales account. Means sales account was excessively credited. It is arithmetical error. In the credit item, excess amount was written, so sales should be debited by that amount, excess amount. Sales account debit to suspense account. What is the difference? 9,500 was written in place of 5,900. The difference is 3,600. We will write here 3,600. Now it is rectified. Now see, what is the effect on the profit loss? Written in words, here you will write, written in words, you will write PL adjustment account, PL adjustment, in it we will write PL adjustment. So see how you will write it, profit loss adjustment account debit for return inwards, and here we will write profit loss adjustment account debit for sales. Now see, profit loss adjustment debit, here it is also debited, here it is also debited, and in place of purchase we will write PL adjustment. To PL adjustment. All these are nominal item. PL adjustment account in place of purchases. It is affected. PL adjustment debit. PL adjustment debit. Adjustment debit. The figures are 9,500, 900 and 3,600. Total figure 4,500. That is 14,000. And whereas the purchase was PL adjustment was created by 1,50,000. So the difference in the profit, 1,36,000, profit should be increased. Profit will affected by 1,36,000, and the profit will increase by 1,36,000. See how it will be. Now prepare suspense account. You will prepare suspense account. See it, suspense account. See suspense account. Opening balance has been given. Debit was excess. The credit suspense was there. This is debit side. It is credit side. Why balance brought down? 3,809. Now here 2x 17,715. By PL adjustment account, that is depreciation, 9,500. In it there was nothing, no suspense was there. To customer, 94. By PL adjustment, 900. By PL adjustment, 3,600. Now total both sides. All errors were rectified. Now see how it was affected the profit loss adjustment account. Profit loss adjustment account. To suspense account and depreciation for depreciation, profit adjustment account debit to suspense, and then that amount was 9,500. The furniture account debit to profit adjustment account. We will write here buy furniture. That was 1,50,000. Discount. There was no profit loss adjustment account. Inward, return inward, 900 short. So we have written PL adjustment account, debit to suspense. $900 and sale. Here adjustment account debit to suspense account 3,600. To suspense 3,600. See the difference. This side is 1,50,000. This side is, you will match it, and then difference is there. So profit adjustment was created more, debited less, is when profit exceeds to profit. Profit increased. Profit have been increased by 1,36,000. This is the way of rectifying the errors after provision file account. Now do more practice. This chapter is over now. And if there is any question, you can make the queries with me or to me. That is enough. Now, have a good day. Thank you.